Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be doing a bottom lash tutorial. I have gotten so many requests about bottom lashes, how I do mine, and honestly y'all, the way I found out is by YouTube. I forgot what makeup artist, this was actually some years ago. I was like, I could do that. I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. I don't always do my bottom lashes. It's only sometimes when I feel like I need to be extra and I'm like, well, I haven't done them in a while, so let me do them today. If you guys are wondering why I'm looking over there, it's because it's a mirror right there. So yes, I'm going to be doing that for you guys. So just to start off, you're going to need individual lashes. You can buy them at your local beauty supply. That's where I get mine. So here are the kind that I have. They're kind of all spaced out because I just randomly use them. I don't know. You're gonna need tweezers. Sometimes, well, I'm so good at it, I guess I can use my fingers and if I have to. And then you're going to need hair glue. Some people are just kind of scared and they get kind of worried with the fact of, you know, hair glue by their eyes. So I can understand that. If you don't want to use that, I believe you can use the regular eyelash adhesive. I don't like that because hair glue works so much better for me. So yeah, what I start off doing, of course, is just taking some mascara. I'm gonna use this little Better Than Sex mascara, and I like to, you know, put some on my real lashes before I go in with the fake ones to have that nice dramatic bottom lash look. So that's what I'm gonna do really quick. Okay, so as y'all can see, if you can, I got it on my bottom lashes. So after that, it's really simple, you guys. People think it's hard. It's not hard at all. So basically, I just take the hair glue, and then I take like a, you don't need a lot. I take like a dime size like that. And from then, I just kind of, you know, pick a, you know, bottom lash out with the tweezers. It's much easier with the tweezers. Sorry y'all, I keep looking at that because I feel like my wig ain't on right. Sorry. Yeah, I do about 4 or 5. Today I'm probably just gonna do 4 for the sake of this video. But here's the lash. Basically what I like to do is dip just a little bit. Do not dot too much on there because if the hair glue gets in your eyes, it will sting. So I'm gonna try to use my viewfinder for this. I'm just gonna see if I can see what I'm doing. I can, so literally just place it on there. I don't know if you guys can see that clear, but yes, it's right there. And I continue that, so that's what I'm gonna do. Say when you're doing this, make sure you do not place it on your like waterline. Place it just like a little below, so like kind of place it in between your lashes basically. And that is just with 4. 4 is, you know, the limit I'm gonna be at today. So I'm just gonna do the other lash. Okay, so I messed up on this one. I'm gonna fix it really quick off camera and then I'll be back. Okay guys, got a little bit of wardrobe malfunction, sorry. But yes, this is usually how it looks when I have the bottom lashes. They usually pop when I have colored contacts in, but honestly I like how they look without contacts as well. So yeah, I hope that was very helpful to you guys. I know it might have seemed like I went a little fast, but I'm telling you, it's not as hard as you think it is. Some people are like, oh, I don't want to stab myself. You know, don't overthink. Just, you know, get you some bottom lashes, some glue, and then just go at it. Honestly, about the lashes that I use, you don't have to use a certain brand. Just make sure they're like the short, black ones, and then you're fine. This brand is from a company called Remy, and the number is 00050. I'm not sure. I'll just But yeah, they're only $1.99, and I've been getting these since like the summertime, and these are becoming my favorites. If you guys want a more dramatic look, just go in with lightly with some mascara, and then, you know, it'll look more defined. But I just like it like this. I think it's very cute, it's very flirty, you know, for a first date, for a birthday, anything. Honestly, usually if I'm going for more of a dramatic look, I will use 5, but today I just used 4. So yeah, that really completes this tutorial. They don't get stuck to your top lashes or anything like that. They just create that, you know, bottom lash look, like you have a full face of lashes. And of course, if y'all know me, y'all been subscribed to me, y'all know I love everything dramatic. I like all the highlight, extra, you know, all that. What other tutorials would you guys want from me? If you guys wanna if you guys want me to do a lip combo tutorial, let me know. But I do my everyday makeup in my everyday makeup tutorial, so if you haven't checked that out, I will put that in the description. Also, I will put the link to the review or the styling of this unit from Eva Wigs. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I helped out. If I went too fast or you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments. And like always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.